Tiniyak naman po ng pamahalaan ang wastong paggamit at maghigpit sa paglalabas ng pondo mula sa 2014 National Budget. Ayon po kay Budget Secretary Florencio Abad, ang pagpapalabas ng pondo ay hindi na manggagaling sa Special Allotment Release Order o SARO dahil ito po ay binuwag na. Sinabi pa ng kalihim na ang mismong 2014 General Appropriations Act na inaprubahan ng Kongreso ay magiging official budget release document ng gobyerno sa mga pondo ng mga ahensya. Kaugnay po nito, patuloy pa rin ang investigasyon ng NBI sa umano'y pamemeke ng SARO.
The approval of the budget itself is already the issuance of the release document. So there will be no more SAROs for, I guess, 90% of all the items in the budget. So which means as soon as the budget takes effect on January 1st or the first working day of the year, the budget itself will be the release document for the most part. So that will also accelerate it. And then of course, it will also be the first time that we are going to implement informed budgeting. So people are aware of what the agencies ought to be delivering in exchange for getting monies. So these reforms, I think, can only improve further the quality of projects and the implementation of the government programs.